Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel, the greatest channel in the land. Today is day number 11. We got 4 more days. 12, 13, 14, 15, and it's over. Thank God. All right, so today, I don't know how I'm going to do this. The gift for day 11 is party with friends. And I mean, I already had to plan, well, it was already planned out. It was already going to happen without me or with me. Shay's best friend is coming into town and going to stay with us for the weekend, and we're going to party it up. So, and I don't know what kind of footage I'm going to get because her best friend doesn't like to be filmed or videoed, or I'm pretty sure she doesn't want to be on my YouTube channel. So I'm not sure what kind of footage I'm going to get. The party is going to be a typical party. We're going to have loud music, alcohol. It's pretty much all you need for a party, right? All right, so yeah, party with friends, day 11.
Everybody, let's get to let's turn them a play. Here comes the 5 to the 4 to the 3. Hands in the earth if you can't show your speed. Here comes the 3 to the 4 to the 5. Now I'm looking at shorty life in the eyes. I'm feeling that's cool. I just had the one life, now I need two. Everybody on this bitch get to man, baby, sin. Then what you gon' say? What we gon' tell me? You gon' tell it, brother? That's a good one, see. You gon' tell it, brother? That's a good one, see. Don't this hit my people wanna talk. Don't this hit my people wanna talk. Don't this hit my people wanna talk. Don't this hit my people wanna talk.
Day 10 check-in. The party is going all right. I mean, the music's going. I think the party's gonna go today and tomorrow. Tonight we're pretty much listening to R&B. Tomorrow is pretty much gonna be trap music. Right now I'm listening to Young Dolph because right now her and her best friend went out to Taco Bell. So I guess this is the party. I mean, it's not much of a party. We'll probably party tomorrow night. I have to work tomorrow morning, so. I see, tomorrow we're pretty much gonna party. Day 11 is balloons. So that's pretty easy. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Jumped in the challenger. Please watching me, so I scramble them, shake them up. Had your bitch at the room, but I had to put out she too freaking. Now I couldn't handle her. Damn, my young niggas. Damn, you too thick, girl, turn around.
I want your body, need your body.
Long as you got me, you won't need nobody. Be quiet. For a bad bitch, you see the way I say something. Little bit face and a big ass Draco. Rubber phone and a blueberry fringe on. Now my dick, little bitch, my Glock hard shit that it cash. I'm trying to start.
Make it official. We ain't getting no younger, baby. And I'm ready to be with you. Together for always.
Where I be without you? Where I be without my baby? Cause every son needs a lady. That you never be part of me. That's why it's so real. When you scared, who's telling you nothing to fear? I'll always be there when you need the shoulder to lean on. Never hesitate, knowing you can call on. It's over and vice versa. That's why I be the first to CJ got the first. She rich up, now you own man. I thought it had to be an old man. So baby girl, put it on me. I think without you. I only think about you, yeah. I know you're tired of being lonely. So baby girl, put it on me, on me.
And the house on the hill when you drop like 80. On the down payment, you can damn ain't like Brady. And never shits for my money, I've been twice the late.
And I know you're getting bored dealing with him. I know you miss my love and my thug and the loving. And I know you're getting bored. And I know you're getting bored dealing with him. I know you miss my love and my thug and thug loving. Those rainy days, spend the whole time trying to wash away. On all those rainy days, spend the whole time trying to wash away. When sun shines and I see your face, smile at me, smile at me.
Let me tell you what I wanna do. Let me show you what I feel in you. It's gonna wrap you. When I put my lips all over you. when I eat it up. Got your legs around my neck so I can't get up. See the form of the we talk. DJ shot we don't play.
4 seconds, yeah, you better not stop. Wondering why? No, you ain't shy. Nigga, pull up on me, tell them nigga.
I was gonna be on the rich nigga licks. I was black ass nigga, call a meal on his wrist. Black ass nigga, what a bad ass bitch. I went got the bag and now everything.